Okay, Tommy, made a lot of improvements. I've got something that I think can help you. Uh, I like how we're getting better at syncing up our hands and feet. As we watch here, we look to be in pretty good shape as we're going back all the way until our foot hits. I like that. Now, what I think can help you is if we could do a little bit of a better job of keeping our weight back on our stride. As I watch your body here, see, to me, like, that looks heavy. Like, it can just almost feel that our weight has come forward already. And what ends up happening is instead of our hands coming in a straight line there, you can kind of see how you're going to come sort of down and then out to the ball. And now we get an around type of angle. And I think that if we were able to just stay back a little bit better on our stride, then we could get that separation. As we watch here, again, I'm looking at what's happening here and here. And as I see, we're really starting to come together. I think we can get a little bit more of a stretch, which will then again allow our hands to be more of that straight shot out to the ball as opposed to that dip around that we got there. And our end result is we just get a little bit around. Now, as we watch another one here, okay, so same thing, we're in good sync, but I can just feel, see how your weight has just started to come forward there? As you just watch your posture, see how we're still kind of back, 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 and then as we hit, right here, you can just see how our weight has started to come forward. And as we watch here and here, we can see they're coming together. We could get a little bit more of a stretch, which is why we end up with, again, that kind of around, as we watch the flight path of our hands, it's kind of around there, where I would like to see us in more of a straight line, straight out to it. So I would say let's real good about getting that in sync. Now, if we can do that without getting this weight transfer here, so that we can land and just get a little bit more stretch where we could see this fire, we start to see this fire a little bit before. See, as that's starting, see how the hands are starting to come? So as I'm watching right in here, I'm watching here, and they're just coming together a little bit. And that's what ends up giving us, again, that around type of action. I think that if you worked on just keeping that weight back, getting rid of that flop right here, your weight just comes forward a little bit on your stride there, I think that'll help us get a better stretch between our lower half and upper half and allow us to go straight to the ball.